Hi babes, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I renovated my studio. I started by painting it. First of all, I do want to show this process just because I felt no, there's no need, but I just at a point when I was doing it I felt okay, let me just carry you guys along just so you see that it is possible in case you want to try it out as well. So I started by painting. I already took out everything, how my studio was looking initially. So if you have been following me for a long time, you definitely know what my studio looks like before. So I'm going to be painting, and I'm using a detailed brush to paint into, like, tiny corners that my bigger brush will not be able to get to. Now I went ahead to pick LED lights. I have like 6 or 7 of these LED lights, and I'm going to be using, I think, 4 out of it. So I saw this wall art design on Pinterest and I decided to recreate it on this LED light frame. I'm very artistic, so immediately when I saw it I know I could recreate that, because once I set my mind on something, trust me guys, there's no limitation. I'll just go ahead and do it, and I always do it well. So I'm going ahead to just draw the detailing on the wall art just to make it look real and more like 3D lights. So, and in case you guys are wondering, the paint I am using here, the color I'm using here is the poster color, so I can easily wash it off just in case I am tired with what the paint is looking like in the at the long run. So guys, after that I am going to go ahead and also do abstract, and I'm making use of like a neutral tone. I'm using black and I'm using gray just to make it look nice. After that guys, I'm going to spray my chair. This chair is rusted and I usually buy what's it called, spray. I picked the same color with the chair and use another, but unfortunately this time I picked a wrong color, but I just had to use it like that. So once I'm done with that, I went ahead to clean everywhere, sweep, mop, and just to make everywhere look really nice and tidy. I'm super happy with what I did with this studio. It looks really beautiful. In fact, I was wowed when I finished. So I put in light, just put everything that needs to be where they are supposed to be. So guys, which of this side do you like the most? Do you like this part that is colorful, that brings life, brings vibe? I think I'm going to be doing get ready, sit down videos. I mean, like more like sit down, talk through videos in this part here. And on the other side, I'm also going to be doing sit down, like makeup tutorials, product reviews, and all that good stuff. Hey babes, welcome back to today's video. Have you ever wondered what goes into creating beauty content? In this behind the scene video, I'll be taking you through my full setup process from arranging my studio to setting up my products, and let's get right into it. So I will start by turning on my lights. Next I'll be putting what I need to use in place. I'll also drag in the table to the center and just basically put things exactly where I like them to be for the purpose of making them stay in the right place. I'm just going to be going ahead to do what I like to put in place basically before arranging. You can see that I have arranged, like I have dragged that table a couple of times, and also I'm going to be turning on this light and it's just going to turn that place to paradise. Once I turn on all my lights and I'm comfortable with how they are positioned, next I'll bring out all the products I'll be using for that shoot. So doing this just make the whole filming process a lot easier for me. By setting out all my products on a different table, I'll be able to reach to them whenever I feel like, and I usually set that table by my right side just for easy access. I'll go ahead and bring out palettes, product I need, and what usually influences this is the type of content I'm going to be creating for that day influences the products I'm going to be bringing out, and I just set them out first and make sure I set them out really well in a way that when I need to reach for them, it is a lot easier for me to do. After that, I will then show you guys what the table setup is looking like. It's very easy for me. I don't like to in between the filming and I'll start looking for one thing or the other. That distracts me a lot, so I like to just set them out properly. And in most cases I usually bring out extra product that I might not need.
And guess what, guys, I always use that product. I don't know why, I end up using it. And here is my table, complete table setup, and also here is my notebook. This is what I look through just in case I'm missing out anything on the content I'll be filming for that day. Then for my outfit, because I'm showing most of my face and to the neck area, my chest area, so I just pick a top, a nice top that I like. I really don't bother about my bottom side just because I hardly show it, except I am showing my bottom side. That is when you see me, I'll be worried and maybe concerned about what to wear in the bottom side. So now that my outfit is checked, I'll be going ahead to wash my face. This is what I do basically in all my contents. I usually wash my face thoroughly before going ahead to cleanse for the main content. Then this is my viewfinder. I like to do this a lot because I film with my back camera, so this helps me to see what I am looking like, because I cannot see what I am looking like filming with my back camera. So this helps me a lot. Let me know what you all think down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.